The knowledge chest. Come and learn together. Hi and welcome to another short little video on the knowledge chest. I've decided to do this video today because Safari is the web browser on iOS 17, and I thought that maybe there would be some folks who would like to know how to basically orient themselves in Safari. So let's dive into it. I'm going to go to Safari now. I'm going to open it.
Speech on. Airplane mode. Switch button. Off. Selected. Safari. Page settings. Button.
I'm in Safari. And now I'm going to just quickly speak about some of the main elements, I call it elements, where one would like to move to when you are in Safari. I am going to slide my finger from the bottom up slowly towards the left top of my iPhone, and you will hear that when I do that, the iPhone will make a clicking sound, and when I get close to the top left, then I will stop and tell you exactly what goes for what. So let's do that. Slide from the bottom left.
If you want to ensure when using a Braille display or common Braille commands for VoiceOver on your iPhone. Selected. Page settings. Button. Actions available.
You heard selected page settings button. If you double tap on that, you will get to the settings of the web page that you can explore. When you swipe right once,
Address. Support.apple.com. Secure. Text field. Actions available.
there you get the address bar. It's as simple as that. And then when you double tap there, you can then type in a new address or just explore and find out how the address is spelled. When you swipe right once,
Refresh. Button.
you get the refresh
Actions available.
button. And if your site didn't load correctly, then you can just double tap there and it will then reload. If I swipe right again,
Common Braille commands for VoiceOver on your iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. Heading level 1.
there Safari presented me with the heading level 1 of the page that I am on. Now I'm going to use my finger and swipe and slide all the way down. Also on the left side, I'll stay on the left of my phone.
Menu to go to settings for navigation. Toolbar. Back. Dimmed. Button.
And there's the back button. So it's at the bottom left, people. At the bottom left of your phone is the back button. And when I swipe right,
Forward. Dimmed.
there's
Button.
the forward button. Swipe right again.
Share. Button.
There's the share button. And with that, when you double tap on that, you can then do things like bookmark the page and even add it to your home screen to access quickly. Swipe right.
Show bookmarks. Button.
Yeah, there you can show the bookmarks that you have.
Tabs. Button.
And if you swipe right again, you will get to a button that says tabs, which will then reveal all the tabs that you have open. And when you double tap there and you get to a tab, you can then close that tab by swiping down. That's all for today. That is Safari. It is actually quite simple, and I hope that it will serve you well and that you will find Safari not so scary. Until next time.
Capitec. Status bar.